National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wright County, southeastern Laclede County, southern Pulaski County, northwestern Texas County until noon Central Daylight Time. At 11:31 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles east of Lebanon, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Fort Leonard Wood, Plato, Competition, Roby, Lynchburg, Dry Knob, Falcon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until noon Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri, Laclede, Pulaski, Texas, and Wright.